In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Nova TV APK on FireStick. Nova TV is a popular app that lets you stream movies and TV shows for free. Let's walk through the steps to get it set up on your FireStick. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. Go to the Settings menu on your FireStick home screen. Select My Fire TV. Choose Developer Options. Toggle on apps from unknown sources and confirm by selecting Turn On. Step 2. Install Downloader app. From the FireStick home screen, navigate to the search icon. Type Downloader in the search bar. Select Downloader from the list and click Install to download the app. Step 3. Download Nova TV APK. Open the Downloader app once it's installed. In the URL field, type the Nova TV APK download link. Be sure to use a trusted source for the link. Press Go and the APK will start downloading. Step 4. Install Nova TV. After the APK download finishes, a prompt will appear asking if you want to install the Nova TV app. Select Install and wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Open and set up Nova TV. After installation, click Open to launch Nova TV on your FireStick. Once open, you can start exploring and watching movies and TV shows on Nova TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.